So in this video, I'll be unboxing and setting up my dad's new iPhone 17 Pro Max and 256. I'll be transferring his data and information from his 13 Pro Max over to his new 17. So quick little story time. We went over to the Apple store and we picked up a silver 17 Pro Max and 256. Now this right here is his first upgrade since his old phone was the iPhone 13 Pro Max and I think 128. So this right here is definitely worth of an upgrade. I could tell with the refresh rate is way better than the 13 Pro Max, including the camera with the side button that no one really uses, but it's still a really good feature to have. And even the front facing camera is an upgrade altogether. So a couple differences I realized with the 17 Pro Max versus the 13 Pro Max is the aluminum frame. It's way thicker and a lot better than the 13 Pro Max in my personal opinion. The screen is now a little bit more brighter, especially during daytime, than the iPhone 13, and the camera system is one of the biggest upgrades that I've seen personally while using. The camera system now has a triple 48 megapixel rear camera, and the front of the phone went from a 12 to 18 megapixel. Even the phone speakers got an upgrade versus the 13. Next up, now onto accessories. So I got a Zag screen protector for the phone. It's a basic screen protector, non-privacy, and I got a Taurus case. So I heard that these cases are really good, including since it comes with a kickstand and is MagSafe enabled. And put it down. Now onto setting up the phone and transferring over the eSIM to the new phone. This took about a good 10 to 30 minutes, and all I had to do was transfer everything from the old phone over to the new one that include Apple ID, iCloud, iMessage, and everything under the Apple ecosystem.
The bag came heavy like metal, trying to chill but I just can't settle. Drive how I want cause this ain't no rental. My bro, my Jenna like Kendall, little black dress and the silhouette's mental. Heavy handed, I gotta be gentle. Unsafe numbers, I'm too forgetful. I'm too forgetful. Oh yeah, been stacking my chips. Next year I wanna take some trips. Loose lips, sink the ship. So I can't even talk the things. G, you ain't bad, you're a simp. I was walking around with a limp. Reason for it, what do you think? Once the restore was completed, all I had to do was check over and make sure all the apps were downloading, make sure iMessage was all there, and make sure everything was signed in. And once I was done, all I had to do was give the phone to him. Man of your talk, give me respect. Don't let this shit get to your head. I've been ghosting